Right. So we are about to see the monitors. So basically, what are monitors? Since this is an ADC, application delivery controller, our ADC product, no matter whatever the vendor it is, it has to make sure that at least our application is available when backend, if any of the backend servers are down, right? So the whole purpose is the end users who are accessing that application, they should not know, they should not have any problem in accessing the application if any of the servers are down. If all of them are down, that's okay. Again, we have alternatives to redirect, but if any of the servers are down, users should not have any problem in accessing the application, right? So ideally, if the customers, if the end users should not have any problem, an easy way is F5. This product should know actually which server is actually working actively and responding back and which server is not. If F5, if an ADC doesn't know that information, that's nothing. We cannot do anything, right? So if an ADC knows that thing, yes, it can, even before it load balances the queries or load balances the requests to the servers, it can make a decision that who is active, who is not active, and it can avoid routing the queries connections to those servers which are not available, right? So now the point is ADC should know which server is performing good, which server is good. So this is a major consideration. Now, if this ADC should know, how would he know at first point? How would he know? By doing some dummy queries. By doing some dummy queries, some application requests, whatever so it is. So this configuring the F5 to do those queries. How would we do? In the form of monitors. Okay, so if I want to just say this in some easy way, you guys know in Cisco we use tracks. You know that, right?
Yeah, yes.
Right? Yeah, tracks where we can do ICMPs or some TCP layer 4 as well, where router it does a frequent queries. It can be an ICMP query, ICMP request, or it's a TCP SYN going out, and it might be waiting for an TCP SYNAC coming back. Right, the same strategy is here, but it has gone a layer beyond. So yes, even this device does that ICMP. It also does TCP. Along with that, it can also do the application layer queries. Rest everything is same. In your track, you can configure how frequent it should be done, right? The same thing you can configure here as well, how frequent it should be done, right? What happens if what is the action to be taken? What are the different timers? What if there is no response seen from the other end, other party? What should be done? What is the next action? All these sort of things you can do. Okay, but ideally you got an idea. What is this monitor? Monitor is a monitoring tool. You can consider like it is just monitoring the server at by at some at some frequency. The FI starts sending the request. It expects a response. If the response is not received, it would wait for a whole time. If there is no response still after the whole time, that's it. Server is down. Right?